Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a blank or black screen in CapCut in just a few simple steps. Sometimes, as part of your edit, you may want to leave a blank gap between two clips. But when you try to separate them, they snap together automatically. Don't worry. There are two easy ways to fix this. Method 1. Go to the top right of the timeline and turn off main track magnet. Now, when you drag your clips apart, you'll see a blank or black gap left between them. Method 2. Click and drag one of your clips down into the overlay track. This lets you move it freely and leave a blank space on the main track, which will also appear as a black screen in your video. And that's it. 2 quick ways to add a blank or black screen in CapCut. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.